Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. Now I start cleaning from this one first. Mobil Truk or truck, Indonesian language, Mobil Truk, but English, truck. Okay, now check another one. Mini airplane, green color. Shoot mini airplane, green color. Yellow supercar, yellow supercar. Super police motorbike, super police motorbike. Police super motorbike. How about this one? Everybody? Forklift with shoot colors. Forklift. Okay, the next one. Die-cast car, green color. Super strong die-cast car. How about this one? Mobil Truk or truck. Police car, yellow color. ลานเป็นเลขปอเหลืองเนี่ยนะครับนี่นะ Racing car, green color. Racing car, green color. How about this one? Super low floor bus. Super low floor bus. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. I put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Okay. Super police motorbike. Super motorbike, red color. Racing car number 9. Yellow car. Everybody, yellow car. How about this one? How about this one? បាទអ្នកនរគ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទគេហៅថាឡានកាន់ដីឡានបង្ហាប់ដី Police car yellow color. Police car yellow color. Super police motorbike. Super police motorbike white color. Mike shoot super motorbike. Mike shoot super motorbike. Racing super motorbike number 6. How about this one? Bulldozer. Supercar, green color. Supercar, green color, everybody. Everyone, let's move to another bigger track here.អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទគេហៅថា Monster Truck បាទ Monster Truck អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Monster Truck Bulldozer បាទ Bulldozer How about this hero Spider-Man red color Supercar បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ Supercar shoot Supercar After we check a supercar, now we check another interesting vehicle. Mini airplane. Monster truck. Shoot ladder truck. Shoot ladder truck. Super motorbike, yellow color. Last one, Mini monster truck. Police car. Mike shoot police car. Another police car, yellow, red color. Racing car number 3. Mike shoot racing car number 3. My favorite car, red color, number 95. Everybody, if you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to be happy every time, everywhere.